Imagine creating stunning images, art, and videos with just simple words. Now imagine doing it fast and with powerful tools. Welcome to Leonardo.AI, a creative AI platform built for artists, designers, marketers, and creators. It helps you turn ideas into high-quality visuals. You can create, edit, and share digital content easy. Leonardo.AI uses advanced generative AI technology. It helps people design marketing graphics, game assets, photography, visuals, and more. Before we proceed, here a quick reminder for all my viewers. This video content is shared only for the informational and educational purpose. Users should review the official website and terms before subscribing or using paid services. Let's start it with full details. Viewers, Leonardo.AI provides many creative tools in one place. Generate images from text or image prompts. Create AI art and illustrations. Turn images into video animations. Upscale and improve image quality. Edit images using AI cameras tools. Generate 3D textures for digital projects. The platform helps beginners and professionals. It's designed to be simple but powerful. It offers tools that allow users to refine and export visuals ready to share. Now we will discuss its key features. Viewers, create visuals using simple prompts, refine images, easily export files for marketing, social media projects. AI video generators turn static images into animated video content. Create visual storytelling with sound and effects. Improve image clarity and resolution. Make visuals sharper and more professional. Edit, erase, resize, and enhance images. Adjust every detail using AI editing tools. Choose models for different styles. Create anime art, cinematic scenes, realistic photography, or creative illustrations. Leonardo.AI supports many creative industries: marketing and advertising, graphic design, game design and concept art, product photography, architecture and interior design, fashion and digital content creation. More than 18 million creators already use the platform for visual production. Now we will discuss the pricing plan. Viewers, Leonardo.AI uses a monthly subscription and token system. Tokens are used to generate images, videos, and other content. Costs depend on quality and feature used. Here you can check out different plans starting from free plan. So you can check out for free plan 150 tokens daily and access to community models, and part the apprentice plan price is $10 per month with about 8,500 tokens monthly private content generation. And with the artisan unlimited price plan, you can check out as price $24 about 25,000 tokens monthly, unlimited lax image generation and priority processing queue. And you can also check out the Maestro Unlimited with the pricing of $48 per month, and you can also check out that it provides you 60,000 tokens monthly and unlimited image and video generation, early features access and support. And you can also check out Leonardo for Teams. So share token system, centralized project management, enterprise security and priority technical support. Pricing and features may change over time. Always check the official website for updates, and here you can also check out that you can compare all benefits. You can also check out the best offer, which is according to your choice. You can find a comparative chart of all the details. Now here you can also check out Leonardo.AI on Facebook. It's also available on a YouTube channel. Viewers, Leonardo.AI has a large global community. Creators share ideas, artwork, and learning resources. Users can connect through official YouTube channel and Facebook community. And here you can also find out Leonardo.AI official on Instagram. Link has been given. You can find out educational webinars and tutorials, news and updates. The community help users improve creative and learn faster. So viewers, getting started is very simple. First of all, you will have to visit the official Leonardo.AI website, and then you can create a free account. Here you can check out the screen. On the screen, option is available. You can choose a plan if needed. You can start creating images, art, or videos. Users can manage projects individually or collaborate with teams using the platform interface, and the interface is very cool and very user-friendly. So here you can find out the interface, and in this way you can add image, you can check out the model, you can generate image, you can generate video content, you can generate image content. So the process is very simple. Leonardo.AI is designed to help creators express ideas. Visually, it combines creative tools, AI models, and community support in one platform. Whether you are designing marketing visuals or creating digital art, Leonardo.AI helps bring imagination to life. If you found this video helpful, like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. Take care. Goodbye.